In this video, I would like to show you what you're going to learn in this masterclass. In the beginning of this course, we're going to talk about a buyer persona. So we're going to define who your ideal customer is. Afterwards then, we're going to talk about Facebook ads. And especially, we're going to concentrate on messages ads. In this regard, we're going to have a look at, for instance, carousel ads, at slideshow ads, and single image ads. Then afterwards, we're going to talk about chatbots, and I'm going to show you step by step how to create a sophisticated chatbot for your Facebook page without no prior knowledge in coding. Then afterwards, we're going to talk about instant replies, so how you can get your Facebook page to instantly reply to someone else, so basically to a message by someone else. Then afterwards, we're going to talk about content marketing strategy, so I'm going to show you how to create amazing content and also how you can market content so that you can build your own personal brand through your Facebook Messenger. And in the end of this course, we're going to talk about making money, so how exactly can you make money with your Facebook Messenger. So in this course, I'm going to teach you everything that I know about the Messenger, and you will learn everything you need to know about how you can turn your Facebook Messenger into a money-making and brand-building machine. Also, if you have any questions, you can of course message me at any given time. I'm always willing and I'm always happy to answer all of your questions. Where exactly can you message me? Well, of course, in the Udemy Q&A section, which you can enter over the dashboard, or of course via the Udemy messaging tool. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see each other in the next video.